Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Alliance University. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section right over here, type down Alliance University and enter it after you're done. And over here, you have to click on the Alliance University official website, which is this one. Click on that. And here we could see we just landed to the Alliance University official homepage, and top right corner just beside the chat with students, here we could see this is the login section. If you want to log in for student, click this. If you want to log in for the faculty and staff, you can simply click on this option. So I'm going to go with the student login, and it will take you to the another page. And in order to log in for student, you are required with your username, password, and also you have to type the text above. So type down your username as well as your password. And after that, simply copy down the text from above and click on this login option, and then you'll be successfully logged into the Alliance University. But if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset your password, then click over here that says click here to reset your password. And then you'll be able to recover and reset your password. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.